And here it is completed. Overall, this was a fun kit to build. There were no build issues to speak of. It went together quite nicely. I'm enjoying Aoshima's Snap Car series of kits. I find it's a nice balance between detail and ease of building. Perfect for a weekend build, or a 24-hour build, or even just a real quick, I want to build a model. I'm also currently building the R35 Nismo kit as we speak, and I'm having fun building that one too. But I am doing some painting on that one. I did resist the urge to do any painting on this one. My only issue with this kit is the rear ride height. In the stock setting, it sits too high, and if you use the low setting, it sits too low. And there's no real easy way to fix it because of the way the kit is designed. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.